Hey guys, just sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I just had a lot of things to do, and also I had a trip to Minnesota. But today we're back with another video playing Minecraft, and I want to show you my bunker I have made. Yeah. So that's the door we got. I can fall out. There's this little blue thing where you come in here and you watch over. And then that's just that. We have a little armor area. This dispenses out a cart. We have someone who does. Have someone who goes in there and does that. And that's closed. Okay. The cool thing is it doesn't even break the track. Da-da-da. 3, 2, 1. That's a door to showing all that I did for it. The roof was a bit more complicated back here. I can get back out. I'm not finished with my bunker though. I have how many rooms left? Okay, so I have 6 more rooms left to do. This hallway has all the this hallway has all the stuff that's like these are the dorms. And also we gonna see something. Okay. So yeah, my friend wanted to join and do that for some weird reason. I'm gonna actually replace those signs and get rid of that picture later. That's just the dorms. So now we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the gym. Sorry if it's hard for you guys to see because of all the light. But there's an end rod right there. I try my best to make like a looking treadmill. Okay. And if we come down here, there's no redstone in that room, but this is like kind of like a redstone bunker. See, there's no hole there, and there's 2 of those right there. We go here, we get our chest for when you make all that crap. I thought I might add a little design, and then when you need food, you come. Hold on. I don't like it when it does that. What you do is you... Whoopsie! Grab back something. I think I broke something. Okay. Well, you press that. Then you press that and you get your chest for your food. Now, if you would like to see, I'm going to show you how this works. So, boom, boom. Put that in there, put that in there, put that in there, and put that in there. See, the food will drop into the top, and the coal will drop into there. Same thing as this side. But then there's a hopper under the furnaces. Yeah? Yeah, don't put it on Bubba. And then, Monkey! No! Sorry about that. My little sister wanted to be a brat and throw her ice cream sandwich at me. And there's hoppers right under these furnaces to lead into the chest. So let's put it at there. So like and subscribe. And I forgot to show you something in the other hallway. There's 3 secrets in it. Or kind of, I guess. I don't know whether you'd say 3 or 2, but it's not really secrets. Like, you open that up, boom, little secret. It's not really secret. But you go, boom, light.
How many couples you want? 1 or 2? 2, okay.
And we got this to shut it. The thing about this is if you want to get out, it's kind of hard.
Can you make sure that she doesn't come in here? And if she does, can you come in here and wash it real quick?
Why? So that's one of them, and then there's that one. We have a hidden chest back there. There's 2 little secret switches to those. I don't. So yeah, I don't know whether you would say a 3 or 2 to 4. I don't know. That'd be up to you. But I mean, like it's the thing itself is a secret little area. Because some people don't like to pay attention. Ha ha ha. Michelangelo. What did I do?
Right there. Bye-bye. Look. Papa. Look.
Also, comment your favorite. If you play Minecraft, comment down below what your favorite redstone creation is. Cause I like to see that. Also, I'm gonna show you an elevator. How to make an elevator. Although I did get this from a video, so whoever actually made this, I'm not gonna try to take credit for it, but I just want to show it off. Since the video's been 7 minutes in, I might have time. Although unless you use obsidian or bedrock to stop the elevator, it keeps going no matter what. It's like an infinite elevator, kind of, till you reach the max limit. So what we need is obsidian to go right there. What you need is obsidian, a sticky piston, slime block. Yes, monkey. Observers. Oh yeah, and block of choice. I'm going to use lapis because I've never used lapis for it. But you put yeah. No, that's bubble teas. So then you want to do that.
No. I'll buy it. Look at bubble teas.
No, monkey. Oh, sorry. Then the first observer goes there. The second one, or the first one, whichever order you're doing it in, goes like that. So now we need a regular piston, a button or lever, whichever you want to use, and we're gonna grab a block. Yep. And also the block of your choice, and do that. And the thing is that it likes to glitch out. So I recommend staying on this side when you do it. Oh no! I'm gonna make the limit right there. There we go. And the obsidian will stop it because, of course, you can't do that with just you can't move obsidian. So that's why I use obsidian, and then you gotta get the same things. I'm gonna use button to do. And now we need to make one. Go ahead and stand on this side. And it drops down. Yeah. Also, if you're wondering why I'm being left behind, just know I'm jumping. But yeah. And really, it goes really kind of forever. Huh? All I want is sour cream and cheese and meat. Okay, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. I will see you tomorrow. I hope.